Ready to pull the motor out of this thing, dude? Let's get it, dude. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you saw our last episode, we brought home this 66 Mustang and we got the motor fired up. On this episode, we're gonna be tearing that motor out along with the transmission, and we'll be getting this thing ready for its future chassis swap. If you didn't see the last episode, went over the plans for this thing, and we're gonna be getting a donor car, either an IS300 or a GS300. This is gonna be a 2JZ swap Mustang. It should be a pretty sick car by the end of this build. Let's get this motor and transmission out of here. This has got to be the world's biggest drain plug. Pretty clean oil. All right, guys, we got the cherry picker out. We got the motor rigged up. I'm gonna let it down off the lift though, because I don't really have any room to pull everything back. So I'm gonna have to scoot the car back. I'll get that bucket out of there. Oh, forgot about the bucket. Pulled our transmission mount out. Damn. Motor transmission is out. Huge transmission fluid mess. I'm gonna push this Mustang out of the way and go grab a truck. That Mustang's 1,000 times lighter now. All right, guys, motor is out of the way. I'll get this guy tarped up. Hopefully we can get something out of this motor so we can put it into the Mustang.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, I got the 289 rigged back up. I listed this thing on Marketplace, engine and transmission combo for $1,000. Only had it up a few hours. Probably put the price a little too low, but can't complain with a quick sale. That'll be one step closer to getting our donor car. Dude should be here soon to pick it up. All right, guys, motor is gone. All right, guys, Tank got the engine and tranny pulled. He got the motor sold. Been working hard. Recouped $1,000 by selling the motor and tranny. Now we can put that towards Tank's tuition. Just kidding, we can put that towards our donor car. I think it's finally time to get this interior cleaned out. Honestly, I don't even remember what we have for parts for this thing. So let's dive into it. These are locks for the doors and for the trunk. I think I have the old keys somewhere, but right now we can't pop that trunk open from the outside because I don't know where the keys are. I'm gonna have to crawl back in there and pop that guy manually. Oh, look at that. 2 electric fuel pumps right there. Exploded sparkling water. There's still stuff in there. Wow. I didn't realize how much these doors can open. It's like 120 degrees. I don't even know what that starter's to. Got all the stuff out of the interior, did a rough sweep on it. We'll hit this with a power washer to clean everything out. But first, I did find the keys in there. Let's see if we can pop this trunk open. Oop. Well, she's open. This is the box for that trans cooler. There's my other taillight bezel. I was wondering if we had this. Looks like some kick panels or something. Like a defroster vent. Not quite sure what that is. Got some trim pieces for probably the back window right here. There's our door handles. Window crank. Not sure what that is. Maybe part of the bumper or something. Antenna. Seat belts. Rubber hose. Another key right here. Probably our ignition key. Our other door handle. There's our other door handle. All right, guys, we got our trunk power washed. We got the interior power washed. And I also got this engine bay power washed. Definitely way better than it was. This thing looked like a dust storm in here. Now we have a lot better start on this thing now that we can actually see the floor. All right, guys, well, that's going to end off this video. Make sure to stay tuned on our next video. We got something a little special coming. We're going to keep trucking along on the Mustang build and keep some content coming for you guys. Make sure to stay tuned, guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.